Myself, Kushubendra Patel from SSWCOE CSC department. My topic is file system management, file system implementation. A file system is a critical component of an operating system that manages how data is stored and received on storage devices like hard drive, SSDs, USB drives. Here is a structural breakdown of how the file system is implemented. First, basic of file system, file logical storage unit of data, directory structure that contains file or other directories, metadata, information about files, example, name, size, permissions, timestamps, components of file system implementation. First, disk management. The file system interacts with the disk drives to read, write data. Storage is divided into blocks or sections, which are the smallest units of data transfer. Second, file control block FCB contains metadata, file name, size, timestamps, permissions, location, pointers. OS keeps these in memory while files are open. Directory structure helps in organizing files, single level, two level, tree structured, analytic graph, and general graph. Fourth one is allocation methods. Decides how disk blocks are assigned to files. Continuous allocation. All file blocks are together. Fast access, external fragmentation. Linked allocation. Each block points to the next. No fragmentation. Slow random access. Indexed allocation. Separate block. Index block contains pointers to all data blocks. Efficient for large files. And extra overhead. File Fifth one is file space management. File system keeps track of unused blocks. Bitmap 1 bit per block. 0 is equal to free. 1 is equal to used. Free list, a linked list of free blocks. Counting stores starting blocks and number of free blocks in run. Third one is file system operations. Let's understand what are the file systems operations. First, create, allocate FCB directory entry, open and close, load metadata into memory, manage file descriptors. Third, read, write, translate logical file positions to physical disk blocks. Fourth one, delete, remove directory entry, deallocate blocks. Mounting and access. What is mounting? It is attaching a file system, example USB, to OS directories structures. Path resources. OS resolves file paths using directory structure. Fifth one, security and access controls in file system. Permission, a read, write, execute for a user group others. Access control list, finer gainer permission control. Six examples of file systems. File systems used in features FAT32, USBs, older Windows, simple number journaling, NFTs, Windows journaling, ACLs, compressions, exact for Linux journaling, large file supports, APFS, macOS, snapshot, etc. Advanced features of file system. Journaling keeps a log to recover from crashes. Caching speeds up access by storing frequently accessed blocks in a RAM. Snapshot save file systems state at a point in time. Encryption protect data at the rest. Thank you.